everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you some new craft room organization tools. I love trying out new tools to help me organize my small craft space, and I have some brand new products from Spellbinders that I'm going to show you. So this is what Spellbinders has sent me. I'm going to show you each one individually, but let's go ahead and start with the small storage crate. So it comes in a box like this, and on the back, it shows you how to put this together, but I'm going to put this together for you in this video to show you how to do it, and it is really simple and easy to do. So these pieces are white, and they're made of MDF, which is a medium density fiberboard, so they're really strong. They come really tightly packed, so nothing's going to shift or break. So let me cut off this cellophane, and then I can show you these pieces. They have a really pretty wood grain texture pressed into the sides. And then it's just a matter of laying them out on your desk and then start popping these pieces together. I'm assembling the long pieces together first, and then the two short sides. And then they also come with some white rubber rings. So once you have it all assembled, you can put those over the end pieces, and this will keep it so that it stays in place and won't fall apart. And once this is assembled, it measures 7 by 5 with a 3.5-inch height. So let me pull out the white rubber rings next and show you how to do these. A few of them did flip across my room, never to be found again, but they do give you extras in this little baggie. Here's a close-up look at that. Can you see the texture on that? They're so cute. Okay, so the white rubber rings are a little bit stiff, but that's a good thing. They will keep these storage crates together strongly, and I'm putting one over each edge. And these storage crates are nice and lightweight as well. You don't want them to be heavy because you're probably going to be filling them up with dies and stamps, which can make it heavy. I also just showed you the small storage pouches and the small storage tabs that coordinate with these crates. This next one is the large storage crate. This one measures approximately 7 by 7 with a height of 5 inches, so it's kind of square. And again, once I finish popping in all of the sides, I'll use the white rubber bands to hold all of the edges in place. I'll just show you one rubber band here. And once you put these on, you can't really see them. All right, and again, they have the large storage pouches and the large tabs that fit in this size. Both sizes are really nice because there are a lot of small die sets and stamps that you can put in the small storage crate. And then, of course, your regular sized ones in the large crate. So here's the storage pouch, and then the tab just fits in at the bottom. And it has an accordion fold to it. So there's plenty of room for a set of dies as well as a coordinating set of stamps if you want to put both of them in the pouch. Now this one is really fun. It's called Assemble and Store Glimmer Foil Roll Station. So before I got this, I kept all of my foil rolls in a small drawer. But with this foil roll station, you can display all of your beautiful foils. So let's put this one together. These are the roll holders, and it consists of 2 pieces with slots, and they just kind of slide together. And then you put them on this long bar here. And then again, another of the white rubber bands to keep it in place so it doesn't fall out. So I put all of the roll holders in their slots and did that first with the rubber bands, of course, so they don't fall out. And then you can put the station together. So it'll go in the side brackets. And then this top one goes just at the top back. And then you put elastics on those as well. So I display this on top of one of my Alex drawer units, and it looks so pretty. It's so fun to display all of the beautiful foils that you can get at Spellbinders. So recently I did purchase a few new foil rolls. Let me show you the ones I got. And I keep them inside the boxes in my drawer, but now I'm just going to open these up and toss the boxes. Although you can save the color, just cut it off on the back of the box and then tape it on the inside of your roll. So if you want to keep that information, you can just glue it or tape it inside your roll. So you can store 12 rolls on one of these stations. I'm going to have to buy one more so that I can display all of my rolls. But not only is this a storage solution, but it's also kind of like a decoration for your craft room. It's just beautiful. Once I have all of these foil rolls on, I'll show you what this looks like. I need to put a soft elastic over the rolls that are open so they don't unfurl. But here they are on this cute storage system. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so here's a look at the crates with their coordinating pouches and tabs. And as you can see, the larger ones just fit the regular size die sets perfectly. And then here's my smaller sets. This is a tag die. And it's just a small set. I love how it fits in these smaller pouches. And here's a small stamp set. I haven't finished filling these up yet. However, this small crate is a permanent fixture at the side of my work mat. I store my stamps and dies that I'm currently working with there, and it helps contain them and keeps them from getting lost and just keeps my crafting space more organized. Also, Spellbinders has some new sequins in the shop. This first one is called Aura Opalescent, and then we have Teal Opalescent. Each pack has 3 different sizes of sequins in them. This next one is just called Pink Opalescent, and they are faceted like a sequin, but they don't have the hole in the middle, which I love. Here's a Purple Opalescent. I'm so done with sequins with holes in the center. I just don't like the glue oozing through. And so these are different from confetti pieces because these are multifaceted, but they have no hole. That last pack was called Peach Opalescent. Let me open up this pack of Teal Opalescent sequins and give you a closer look at how shiny and pretty these are. I'm just going to pour these into one of my little heart trays. I'm not sure which one is my favorite color yet. It's nice to have a variety of colors in your stash. I do use the pink one an awful lot. But look how beautiful these are. The Aura one and the Peach pack are nice because they're more neutral, so they go on more cards. These are so much fun. And of course, I'll have the links to all of these sequins and storage products that I showed you in this video listed in the description box below if you're interested in checking these out. Spellbinders also has an assemble and store die cut station, which I didn't have, but I will list the link to that in the description box as well. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look at some new products in the Spellbinders shop for some craft room storage solutions. Take care, everyone. Bye.